Hello students, welcome to English literature class. Last class we have completed the scene 2. I hope you will start writing the answers in the workbook, all the questions you attempt and finish the workbook questions. And later I will give you all the questions from the scene. In this now we'll begin Act 3, Scene 3. So this gloomy scene takes place in a street in Venice where Shylock, Salarino, Antonio and Gawler means jailer, they are present over here. The significance of the scene is that here the Antonio has forfeited his bond and he is at the request of Shylock, he is been taken to the jail. So Gawler here, jailer, has taken him, he is in the jail. So at his request, Antonio's request, the jailer has brought him to the street of Venice to meet Shylock and request him not to take the penalty. Here we find a contrast characteristic. Shylock is extremely delighted. He is triumphant as he could feel that he is going to win, and whereas Antonio is in a gloomy, sad mood as he has become helpless, and so that's why he is helpless, unable to see any prospect of escaping the Jews' merciless aims. So now we'll start. Shylock. He tells the Gawler that is jailer, look to him. 3 things he tells. Remember, a question can come. What does Shylock say to the jailer? 3 things. First, look to him. Look to him means guard him closely. Guard Antonio closely. Second, tell not me of mercy. Don't speak to me for showing any mercy. Third, this is the fool that lent out money gratis. Money gratis, money giving without interest. So this is the fool. Antonio is the fool who used to lend money without taking interest. So Gawler, look to him. These 3 things he tells about Antonio to him, guard him closely. Antonio, hear me yet, good Shylock. He is going after Shylock, pleading him to listen to him, but Shylock is not listening to him at all. So Shylock says, I will have my bond. Speak not against my bond. I am going to have my bond, so don't speak against this bond. I am not going to listen or going to show any mercy. Why he will not show mercy? Here gives the reason. I have sworn an oath that I will have my bond. I have taken an oath that in the synagogue that I will have my bond, and I cannot break the bond, my promise, and commit a sin for my enemy like Antonio. So I have taken the oath. Second, thou calledst me dog before thou hadst a cause. Cause, reason. You had called me a dog without any reason. See how he is taunting him here. But since I am a dog, beware of my fangs. Fangs, teeth. So since I am a dog for you, then beware of my teeth. The teeth here means my causing harm to you. The Duke shall grant me justice. He had a very good faith that the Duke will give him justice. Now suddenly he realizes that how Antonio come out of the jail. So here he says, I do wonder, I am surprised. Thou naughty Gawler. Remember these lines he tells to the jailer. You worthless jailer. Naughty here, worthless, useless, good for nothing jailer. That thou art so fond. Fond means foolish. To come abroad. Abroad here means to come out of the jail. With him means Antonio at his request. I am surprised that you wicked, worthless jailer, how can you be so foolish to bring Antonio out of the jail at his request? Antonio says, I pray thee hear me speak. He keeps on requesting him. Shylock, I will have my bond. I will not hear thee speak. I am going to have my bond, nothing else. I am not going to allow you to speak to me. I will have my bond, and therefore speak no more. I will not be made a soft and dull-eyed fool. Dull-eyed fool, stupid. Okay, a stupid fool. To shake the head, shake means to nod the head. Relent means to show pity. shy and yield. Yield means given. To Christian intercessors. Intercessors, pleaders. So Antonio is pleader here. So he says that don't keep on pleading me. You cannot make me a stupid, dull-eyed fool that finally listening to your pleadings I will give in and show pity to you. Follow not, don't follow me. I will have no speaking. I will not hear you speak to me. I will only have my bond. Salarino. It is the most impenetrable cur. Impenetrable cur, it is a very heartless dog. Cur means dog. That ever kept with men, that ever lived with human beings. Antonio, let him alone. So now finally Antonio gave up. He said that as Shylock is not going to listen to him, so he says, leave him alone. I will follow him no more with bootless prayers. Bootless, useless prayers. So no more I will follow Shylock with my useless pleadings or appeals. He seeks my life. He wants my life. His reason, well, I know. I know the reason why he wants my life. So here the reason he gives why Shylock wants his life. I oft delivered from his forfeitures, many that have at times made moan to me. Moan, complain or appeal to me. Therefore he hates me. What he says? Often Antonio had rescued the people, poor people who had failed in repaying the money loan from Shylock. So those who had taken the loan from Shylock, they failed to repay him. So finally he used to take the penalty. At the time, those people used to come and plead Antonio to help them. And at the time, Antonio had helped these poor people and saved their lives. Therefore, he hates me, he says. Very important. The real reason Antonio says why Shylock wants to take life. Salarino. I am sure the Duke will never grant this forfeiture to hold. Salarino thinks that Antonio being a Christian and Duke also, he will not allow Shylock to take this penalty. Antonio. But Antonio says that the Duke cannot deny the course of law. The Duke cannot deny the justice system. Venetian justice is very strict and he cannot but allow the law to take its course. Why? For the commodity that strangers have, strangers here, foreigners. Okay, commodity, the business ventures. Why the Duke cannot punish or ask and Shylock not to take penalty? Here is the reason. For the commodity that strangers have with us in Venice, if it be denied, will much impeach the justice of the state. So he says that the rights which foreigners have in Venice along with the Venetians cannot be denied to them. If their rights are denied, it will do harm to the justice of Venice. Because why? Here, why it will do harm? Since the trade and profit of the city consisteth of all nations. That means because the trade and business transactions here are carried out by men of all nations. So Venetians also do business with other countries also do. So if justice will not given to Shylock or any foreigner, they will also not give justice to Venetians or not do the trade and transactions with them. So their business will be ruined. That's why all the foreigners have the equal rights like the Venetians. Therefore go. These griefs and losses have so baited me. So he said, therefore you go. These sorrows and the tensions, losses have so much made him lose his weight, baited me, that I shall hardly spare a pound of flesh tomorrow to my bloody creditor. So much these grief, sorrows and worries have made him so thin, lean and thin that hardly tomorrow, the next day, he will have any pound of flesh to give as a penalty to his bloody creditor, that is Shylock. Well, Gaoler, on. Now he tells the jailer. Now, on means continue. Pray God. Continue means take him to the jail. Pray God, Bassanio come to see me pay his debt, and then I care not. He is only last wish is that pray God that Bassanio is able to come to see me repaying his loan debt. Then if Bassanio comes, I don't care for anything, even his life. So exeunt means all go together.